India is the world's third largest electricity producer after US and China. With great power comes
Please switch on the generator.
power cut. So this is a 62 kVA diesel genset which has an inbuilt microcontroller which helps us to get the vital information about this generator such as the fuel level, the temperature or the RPM. So what we have done is we have built this device which we can directly connect into this microcontroller and get all the vital information into this device over Modbus protocol. So once the data is received into this device, we send it to Azure IoT Hub using MQTT protocol.
The device you just saw communicates information to IoT Hub, which is in turn stored and fed to the web application. The web application has a Power BI dashboard embedded in it, which is fed with the data in real time. I can look at the dashboard and monitor my key KPIs and parameters. Some of the historical information, some of the current data that's captured here that can tell me the health of my asset, as well as some of the critical parameters like the fuel level that will help me understand when the genset needs to be refueled. So if I were to look at my assets in Mumbai, I would just click on that area in the map, and there are currently 2 assets assigned to me in Mumbai. I can get a high-level view of the last time the asset synchronized and the RPM that was available. If I were to look at additional parameters for that particular asset, I would just have to click on the trend points, and it takes me to a view where I can see the latest information captured for that particular genset. Sometimes having the latest information is not enough, and to be able to pinpoint the root cause of a problem, we need to look at the historical data that's captured for a particular parameter. For instance, let's say we want to capture the information, historical data for RPM. I would click on that icon. So this graph shows us the historical trend points for RPM as collected for that asset. I could zoom in. Going back, if there are any alarms for a rule that's configured in the application, for example, if we configure a rule that says that the RPM should not go beyond 600, and if we have an RPM that goes, for instance, here the value is 400. If the RPM goes beyond 400, an alarm is raised. So the user gets a notification on his mobile device.
The world is saved by superheroes quietly working on ideas in their little workstations. Our team has put together a simple, end-to-end and reasonably priced genset monitoring solution for effective, efficient and secure monitoring. Because with great power comes great responsibility.